Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class, and in today's class we'll start from question number 3. Okay, the question is also similar type of question like question number 2. Okay, the question says goods are sold from Kota, which is in Rajasthan, to Mumbai. Okay, goods are sold from Kota to Mumbai, note it down, and then from Mumbai to Pune, note it down. Am I clear? Goods are sold from Kota to Mumbai and from Mumbai to Pune. Let's read the question properly. Goods are sold from Kota to Mumbai for rupees 20,000 and then from Mumbai to Pune. Okay, the question is goods are sold from Kota to Mumbai for rupees 20,000 and then it's sold from Mumbai to Pune. If the rate of GST is 12%, and profit made at Pune is 5,000. Okay, find the net GST paid at Pune. This time we are asked to find the net GST paid at Pune. Am I clear or not? The net GST paid at Pune we need to find if the dealer at Pune is end user. So end user. Okay. Let's first understand end user. End user means after Pune, he is not selling it further. Okay, Pune is the last person to keep the product. After Pune, he is not selling it further. Am I clear? End user means that. Okay. After that, there is no user. Only Pune is the last one. Come back to the question. Goods are sold from Kota to Mumbai. From Kota to Mumbai, interstate. Selling price 20,000. So if selling price is 20,000, what is his cost price? His cost price is also 20,000. The case is inter. Am I clear? Now this fellow from Mumbai, he is selling the goods to Pune at profit of 5,000. So what will be his selling price? Cost price was 20. He is keeping 5,000 as profit. So his selling price will be 25,000. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now he is selling at 25,000 to the guy in Pune. So what will be the cost price for Pune? 25,000. Am I clear? Remember, we are calculating net. So I will not be including the GSTs out here because I am calculating net. Please be clear with this. I have told in the last class as well. After that, the guy who is in Pune, he is not selling it further. Okay, so he is keeping with him only. His cost price was 25,000. Now he is not selling it further, so his selling price will be 0. Okay. The question is asking you, rate is 12%. The question is asking you, find, what do you need to find? You need to find the net GST paid at Pune. Find the net GST paid at Pune. Find the net GST paid at Pune. What was the formula yesterday? At Pune, tax charged on the selling price minus tax paid on the cost price. Tax charged on the selling price at Pune, tax charged on the selling price at this rate, and tax paid on the cost price, which is out here. Okay, so net GST paid at Pune will be tax charged on selling price minus tax paid on the cost price. Okay, so tax charged on the selling price itself is 0. So tax charged on selling price will be 0. Minus tax paid on the cost price. What is the cost price? 25,000. What is the rate? 12%. What is the case? Intra. So 6% CGST, 6% IGST. So sorry, SGST. So I have kept it as twice because it will be same. Twice into 6% of 25,000. You calculate, you will get 1,500. So 1,500 into 2 will be 3,000. And I've put a negative sign out here, but we know whenever the rupees will be there, okay, sum will never be negative. So hence 15 into 2 will be 3,000. So 3,000 will be the net GST paid at Pune. Am I clear? Negative sign is neglected. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright, let's proceed with question number 4. The question says, again first, you please read the question properly and you'll try to make this flowchart first. This flowchart, then automatically you'll be clear with the question, and then I'll tell you what we need to find. Okay. For the time being, I'm reading the question. Let's read the question. A dealer a dealer, A is a dealer in Banaras. A is a dealer in Banaras, which is in UP. He supplies goods worth rupees 8,000 to a dealer B in Agra. Okay, so dealer A supplies goods to dealer B. Both of them are in the same state, so intra, at rupees 8,000. So the selling price at A is 8,000. The cost price at B will be 8,000. Am I clear? Very good. The rate of GST is 18%. Okay. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods to dealer C in Patna. Dealer B sells it to dealer C, which is interstate, one state to another state, okay, at a profit of rupees 1,200. So the cost price at B was 8,000 from him, and now he sells at a profit of 1,200. So what will be the selling price? 9,200 for B. And then what will be the cost price at C? The cost price at C will be this. Okay, am I clear or not? Find the input and output taxes for dealer C. Find the input and output tax for dealer C if this dealer C is end user at the rate of 18% and C does not sell his goods further. Okay, so we need to find what is the input tax, how much tax he has paid and how much tax he has received. We need to find if he is the end user. Okay, the rate is 18% and the case was interstate. Okay, I hope now you are clear with this. Once again I repeat, a product is been sold from A to B at 8,000. At B he is keeping for a few time, okay, and he sells at a profit of 1,200. So his total selling price is 9,200 to dealer C, to the fellow at C. Now this C, he keeps the product with him. He does not sells it further. So his cost price is 9,200. His selling price is 0. Okay, please note down the cases intra and inter. The rate is 18%. The question is asking you, find the input tax at C and output tax at C. What is input tax? How much you has paid on the cost price, and what is output tax? How much you have charged on the selling price. See, further he is not selling, so selling price is 0. So output tax has to be 0 because he is not selling. Tax charged on selling price. He is not selling at all. Selling price is 0. So tax will also be 0. Now, tax paid on the cost price. If I am the person who is buying the product at rupees 9,200, okay, how much tax I am paying? Input I have to give, okay, at which percent? 18%. What is the case? Inter, so hence IGST, because one state to another, 18% of 9,200, you calculate, you'll get 1656 as the input tax. Okay, see at C, this. Am I clear? End user. So please do practice these types of problems properly, boys. Don't get confused. Wherever you see input, output, net out there, you don't have to include all this GSTs. Okay, so please make a note of this properly. Okay, pause the video and note it down.